Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video on bold reports. Large sets of data can often appear overwhelming and monotonous, making it difficult for users to grasp the information they need quickly. Alternating row colors is a simple and effective technique that can significantly enhance the look and feel of your reports. In this video, I will show you how to apply colors to alternate rows in a matrix to improve its visual appearance. Let's get started. First, I'll create a new report in the report server and name it Alternate Row Colors Matrix. You can follow the same steps to create a report in the standalone report designer. Next, I need to create a dataset to use data values in the report. First, I create a data source using the AdventureWorks database in the SQL server. I name it AdventureWorks. As I have the database details in the form of a connection string, I use advanced options to use my connection string. Next, I choose the authentication type as none since the connection string already has the credentials. This connects to the data source and opens the query designer. I name it Production Dataset. Next, I move to code mode because I already have the SQL query. I enter the query and click Run. To see the values retrieved from the database and displayed in the preview area. Then, click Finish to create a dataset. Before adding the matrix, let me add a header. First, enable the header area. Add a rectangle that acts as a container for the text. And resize it. Next, change the background color to enhance the look and feel. To add the header text, I add a text box inside the rectangle and the label Sales by Product. Next, format the text by changing the font, color, size, weight, and vertical alignment. If there is extra space around the text, resize the text box and rectangle to adjust the spacing between the text. Now the header has been added. Next, I need to add a matrix report item to the report. I add a matrix report item to the designer surface. Now, let's assign data for the matrix report item. Add the product category in the row group cell. Once the values are assigned, you will see the row group value change to product category in the row group section. Similarly, assign the order year value to the column group. And the column group value is changed to order year. To add a child group, I expand the group menu in the product category group field. Add a child group. Select the subcategory in the group by field. And save it. This shows detailed data within each main group. See, the child group is added. Next, I add a child column group. In the column group pane, I expand the group menu in the order year group field. Add a child column group to show detailed information for each main column group. Next, add order quarter as child column group. And save it. Then, remove the unnecessary columns. And merge the two matrix cells as one as they are not used in this report. Then I add sum of sales expression to the value cell. Since the currency value must be displayed in the currency format, I select the sum of sales value cell and change the format to currency with 2 decimal points. When the values are assigned to the matrix, I need to apply some basic formatting to enhance its appearance. I select the header row and change the font family, weight, text alignment, vertical alignment, background color, and color. In the same way, I format the value row font family, text alignment, and vertical alignment, and format the matrix. Finally, I will show you how to enhance the visual appearance of the matrix by applying colors to alternate rows while previewing. To apply colors, I choose the first row group cell and open the Properties panel. Then, open the expression dialog in the background color property. Add the expression to set the color of alternating rows in a matrix, and save the expression. Then select the subcategory and sum sales row group cells. Open the expression dialog in the background color property. Add the expression. Save the expression. And we are done. Now, everything is ready to preview the report. Switch to Preview. You can see colors on alternate rows in the matrix. In this video, I have shown you how to apply colors to alternate rows to enhance the visual appearance of the matrix in the Report Designer. The link to the blog used in this tutorial is in the description below. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.